Lynette, you have significant experience, not just as a former federal prosecutor issuing CIDs, but also as a lead defense counsel in private practice when it comes to these civil investigative demands in the healthcare sector. What are some of the cases that prompt the government to issue a CID?
Well, that can come about in a variety of ways. Sometimes there's a whistleblower complaint, and unfortunately the recipient of a CID might not be aware of that complaint. It could also be an agency referral. So DOJ works with many different agencies, and if they suspect potential fraud, for example, in the area of healthcare, they might refer to DOJ to conduct an investigation.
One thing that we see being quite tricky in the defense of businesses and clients is the understanding that C means civil, CID, but the practice is often a little more complicated than that.
That's right. So the Department of Justice does have sometimes cases that they pursue on a parallel track. So a person receiving a CID may also be under parallel criminal investigation. So it's really important to have knowledgeable counsel involved to be able to navigate that process and know what you're facing.
A business just receiving a CID, what should be one of the first steps the business owners or compliance officers should do?
The first thing that any person who receives a CID should do is to contact an attorney right away. It's really important to get knowledgeable counsel involved right at the beginning. I've seen clients make the mistake of engaging with the Department of Justice or with agents who have issued the CID and having a conversation about the substance of the investigation, and that can go wrong in a lot of ways. So it's really important to get an attorney involved right away.
Would you be available for to speak with business owners who just received a CID to kind of discuss and show some ways how to navigate them successfully through a CID process?
Definitely. I would be happy to have a free consultation to discuss the case and to find out more information about why they might be receiving the CID so that we can together decide if Oberheiden is the right fit for them.